If you want to automate tasks on your website, knowing how to set a cron job in hosting at HPanel is a huge time saver. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create a cron job, choose the right command, set the schedule, and save it properly inside Hostinger. This is a simple but powerful feature that can help you run scripts automatically, send reminders, clear caches, update data, and handle routine background tasks without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy hosting and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard. From there, look for the Advanced section. Depending on how your account is laid out, you may also see it under Hosting and then Manage. Either path should bring you to the same hosting controls. Now open the Cron Jobs section. This is where Hostinger lets you create and manage scheduled tasks for your hosting account. Once the Cron Jobs page loads, you're ready to create a new cron job. You'll usually see an option to add a new one, and this is where the setup begins. The first thing you need to do is choose the type of command you want to run. Hostinger may let you select PHP or a custom command, depending on what your task requires. If you're running a PHP script, choose the PHP option. If you have a custom shell command or another type of instruction, use the custom option instead. Next, enter the command you want the server to run. This part is very important because the cron job will only do exactly what you tell it to do. Make sure your command is correct and double check the file path or script name if you're using a custom task. If you're not sure, it's a good idea to copy the command from your application or script instructions so you avoid mistakes. After that, you need to choose the schedule. Hostinger makes this easy by letting you set the timing using minute, hour, day, month, and week options. These settings control how often the cron job will run. For example, you can set it to run every minute, every hour, once a day, once a week, or on a custom schedule that fits your workflow. Take a moment here to think about what your task needs. Some jobs should run frequently, while others only need to run once per day or once per week. Choosing the right schedule helps your site stay efficient and prevents unnecessary server load. Once everything looks correct, review your settings carefully. This is the moment to make sure the command is right, the schedule makes sense, and you're creating the cron job in the correct hosting account. When you're satisfied, click Save. That will activate the cron job inside Hostinger HPanel. From this point on, your server will run that task automatically based on the schedule you selected, and that's it. You've just learned how to set a cron job in Hostinger HPanel in a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger, website, and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.